Oh, very warm greetings to all of you. Let me introduce you. My name is Ritika Vasani and I have been associated with Winny Immigration from quite some time now. Today I would be throwing lights and discussing the topic crossing the border, Canada. To start with, when you talk about crossing the border as a temporary resident, you must ensure you have the proper documentation. Important documents should always be translated into English to make it easier for people in Canada to understand. I would be briefing and covering five major points while crossing the border. First, essential documents, goods planned to bring along, disclosure of funds, health documentation, and customer declaration card. So let's begin with first the essential documents. To enter Canada, you'll require a Canadian immigrant visa, also confirmation of permanent resident of each family member traveling with you, and a valid pass or a travel document of each. Now, what are the goods planned to bring along? So, before you arrive, you should prepare two copies of list. Firstly, the goods you are planning to bring to Canada, which includes personal or household items. Second, a list of items that are arriving later and, of course, their money value. Kindly note, you need to hand over the list to the border service officer when you first arrive in Canada, even goods which are not arrived yet. List has to be submitted, so don't pack it along with the luggage. Keep them with you all the time. Further, let's talk about the disclosure of the fund. So, once you arrive in Canada, you have to inform the Canadian official that you are carrying more than 10,000 Canadian dollars. The only purpose you need to inform them so that you're not fined or your fund could be seized. There is no restrictions on the amount of money you bring in. The fund could be in the form of cash, checks, money orders, etc. Health documentation. Now, you need to carry essential documents that state that vaccination you and your family have already taken. If your family has not got vaccinated, then you need to visit the nearest doctor on urgent basis. While enrolling the child to school in Canada, vaccination or immune records are checked at priority basis all the time. Other documentations that include the birth certificate, marriage certificate, letters of reference from former employers, if any, school records, a list of educational and professional qualifications, and job experience, etc., are also must. Moving to the last part, which is the customer declaration card. So, what is a customer declaration card? It is a card to declare that you are bringing in to Canada. Items you may pay duty on are gifts, alcohol, and tobacco. Second, amount of money. Also, if you are bringing along business goods, plant foods, animals, etc. Kindly note in customer declaration card, it does not include any of your household or personal goods. I hope the information provided to you was useful. For any further assistance, please feel free to write us at www.winnygroup.com or you could call us on 1800 419 3242. Thank you so much. So, this is all from my end. Thank you for watching.